How to lucid dream. Lucid dreaming. Lucid dream about your dreams. If you are looking for information on how to lucid dream, then you have come to the right place. I'll share some techniques that will help you reach your dreams and experience them fully. Unfortunately, there aren't very many studies on lucid dreaming, unfortunately. Still, there are a few basic tricks that may well make your lucid dreaming dreams a reality. Getting enough sleep, getting more sleep, and making sure you wake up and sleep at the same time each day will all help you achieve this. One trick you can try is to ensure that you have enough sleep each night. Sleep deprivation is something people tend to worry about, but actually it isn't as big an issue as you may think. In fact, a lack of sleep actually impairs our ability to focus. So if you don't get enough sleep, your ability to stay focused during the day may actually be reduced. You can make use of different ways to make sure that you get enough sleep, or at least enough quality sleep each night. The first way to do this is to try to get to bed earlier each night. Most people tend to get to bed later than they need to. Don't drink or smoke before bed. These things can affect the amount of sleep that you get, and they are also often addictive. It's best that you do something relaxing before going to bed. Find yourself some quiet time where you can just listen to your favorite CD or watch TV without the need to think about anything. Another way to make sure that you get enough sleep is to ensure that you don't eat before bed. There are certain foods that are known to have negative effects on your body, and you want to avoid them if you don't want to be tired at night. Some people claim that drinking coffee can help you sleep better, but it's important to be careful with this. Make sure that you don't over-exercise. Too much exercise can wear you out and can also affect your sleep. If you are working too hard at a job, or with other commitments, it can be a real drag. So make sure that you get plenty of rest and take it easy. Hopefully these tips on how to dream about your dreams can help you to get more sleep and to control them. These are just a couple of the tips that you can try. It's also important for you to make sure that you don't try to do something too difficult when dreaming. A lot of people like to try out different things in their dreams. You don't need to be able to fly to have fun, and a simple dream can teach you how to use lucid dreams to control what you do during your waking life. Also make sure that you always use the same words to describe lucid dreams, and not the same images in your dreams. This is a trick that many people forget when trying to lucid dream about their dreams, and therefore, they forget the way they are able to control their dreams and how to control their lives as well. The only problem with lucid dreaming is that it requires a bit of practice before you'll be able to do it on a regular basis. So make sure you spend time practicing before you give up and get into that deep sleep. As long as you can get the hang of it, then you'll be able to dream about anything and everything. If you keep trying and practicing, you'll soon be able to control your dreams and live in the future, instead of in the past. Lucid dreams are a great way to live in the moment and to learn about yourself and about the world around you. These tips on how to dream about your dreams will help you master this technique. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more how-to.